Birthday.
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 What do you want to do today?
Bowling.
You want to go bowling?
And
Six Flags.
And to go to a crystal shop.
Crystal shop, bowling, and clean your car?
Yeah.
Well, y'all are going to come with us. It's their birthday, so we're going to have fun today. And finish up this video. Come along with us on Mrs. Jaycee's birthday. What is up, everybody? We're on our way to, where are we going?
Bowling.
Brother. We're going bowling for the first time in over a year. It's been a minute. Today is Da-da-da-dan's birthday.
Da-da-da-dan's birthday.
Yeah. So we're gonna go bowling for a little bit. Me and the boys are outside playing with the airplanes. I cooked lunch for us. After this, we're probably gonna have Miles take a nap, most likely, maybe, depending on what time we get done. And then we're gonna finish up the rest of the birthday with all the other extremities. We gave her 2 presents a little early because she was talking about how she didn't have anything to wear.
Early birthday presents. 2 things in there.
What?
Adidas shoes and a shirt.
How cool.
Wow.
Aw, thank you. Hey, get your hands off of my shirt. Thanks.
So she's rocking the Adidas shirt. Adidas short with Adidas shoes. Yeah, there you go. But anyways, come with us bowling. Don't forget to HTB, hit that bell. Subscribe to this channel. Make sure y'all like so we can run these numbers up so that we can not only provide better content, but so we can keep bringing videos to you guys. That being said, come with us and we'll see you guys at the bowling alley.
You got it?
Good job, boys. Watch the drop. Oh, good job. So we're on lane 7.
Okay.
Yeah, see, we're bowling, huh? Yeah, you're using the dinosaur.
Ryan, we're about done dressing.
That's the intercom.
Miles, hold on. Oh, you're so close.
At first, you go right into your singles. You don't have to wait. But keep your scores turned into your bracket money, okay? So as soon as Renee gets everything done here and turn them on, we'll have 2 minutes practice.
Ready?
No,
Mine's.
We gotta sing first.
Wait, we're all going to sing to you now.
Say, ready? 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you.
Eat more chicken. Happy birthday to you. Eat more chicken. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Eat more
Happy
chicken.
birthday to you.
Eat more chicken.
Ready? Go ahead.
1, ready?
2, 3.
Yay! You want to try? Make a wish.
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to try.
Your brother wants
I'm going to
go.
do it, Miles. Okay.
We gotta. Oh.
How was your birthday, babe?
It was good.
We didn't get to go to the crystal shop, though. Did you get everything you ever asked for?
Yes. My eyes are itchy. We went into the out today. My eyes are itchy now.
Went into the out today. Yeah, bowling was fun, though. She got her cake, she got a pillow, she got shoes and a shirt, cupcakes, flowers, and I cooked dinner.
Yep, and then I got a mystery package in the mail.
A mystery package in the mail, yeah, with some other stuff in it. So, it was a pretty good day. Surprised myself with how well I cooked some chicken Alfredo. So shout out to her sister for guiding the way on
Making it from scratch.
Making it from scratch.
None of that Prego shit.
Yeah. There wasn't a lot of measurements. I just kind of went off of feel, but it was really, really good, and I was surprised. So
you let your spirit guide you into making a delicious meal.
yeah, it was fire. So we're gonna have some leftovers for the rest of the weekend. But yeah, it's bedtime now. So just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all HTB, y'all hit that bell. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel so you guys can see all of the content that we drop. Y'all hit that bell so y'all know exactly when we do. And you guys can also follow along with us in our journey for transitioning back into full-time living and all the stuff family-wise. Make sure y'all also go check out the other channel that has all the business information so y'all can follow that as well. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Let's go.